Tesla's voice command system allows you to control various car functions hands-free, enhancing safety and convenience. As of December 2025, it's a sophisticated AI-driven tool accessible via the Hey Tesla wake word, deeply integrated with the vehicle's infotainment system. This video will guide you through using voice commands effectively in your Tesla. To activate the voice command system, simply say, "Hey Tesla." The car will respond with a chime and a visual indicator on the touchscreen. Speak clearly and directly. For example, to navigate, say, "Hey Tesla, navigate to destination." The system uses natural language processing to understand your commands. Practice in park mode to get comfortable. Navigation is a core function in Tesla vehicles. Use commands like navigate to address or point of interest, or find the nearest charging station to get directions and locate essential services. To handle changing conditions, say reroute due to traffic, to update your route based on current conditions. The system uses real-time traffic data to optimize your path. For a more enjoyable drive, try take the scenic route to explore alternative paths. The Tesla system integrates real-time data for optimal routing. Always ensure your maps are up to date through over-the-air updates for the best navigation experience. Making calls with voice commands in your Tesla is straightforward and designed for safety. To make a call, simply say "call" followed by a contact name from your phone, or "dial" followed by a phone number. Tesla's voice system connects to your phone via Bluetooth, automatically accessing your contacts list for seamless integration. For incoming calls, just say "answer the call" to pick up hands-free without touching your phone. This hands-free calling capability significantly reduces driver distraction, allowing you to stay focused on the road while communicating safely. You can control numerous car functions using voice commands. Try saying "set temperature to 72 degrees" to adjust climate control, open the glove box for quick access, or play jazz on Spotify for entertainment. Enable Sentry Mode activates security monitoring, and for Model X or Y, you can say "fold mirrors" to park compactly. Experiment to discover all available controls. Tesla's advanced voice command features go beyond basic controls, offering voice-activated home controls that let you manage smart devices directly from your vehicle. The system integrates with third-party apps such as Spotify and Audible, allowing hands-free music and audiobook control while driving. Advanced commands include weather queries like "Hey Tesla, what's the weather like tomorrow?" and other complex requests in advanced mode. Recent updates bring contextual awareness, allowing the system to remember your preferences and engage in multi-turn conversations for more natural interactions. For optimal voice command performance, speak clearly and at a normal volume. Avoid using commands in noisy environments like heavy traffic or loud music, as background noise can interfere with recognition. Regularly update your Tesla's software through over-the-air updates to access the latest voice command features and improvements in accuracy. Check for updates in the vehicle's settings menu. If the system doesn't understand your command, try rephrasing it using different words. For example, instead of "play music," say "start playing songs" for better recognition. Customize your voice command experience through the touchscreen settings. Adjust wake word sensitivity, enable advanced features, and train the system to recognize your voice better. Always prioritize safety by keeping your eyes on the road. Voice commands help reduce distractions, but never take your attention away from driving to issue commands. Tesla is continuously improving its voice command system with AI integration. Expect more conversational AI, personalized experiences, and enhanced integration with full self-driving features. Future updates may include multimodal AI combining voice and gesture, and seamless smart home integration. The goal is a safer, more intuitive driving experience.